Hello everyone! How is your summer vacations going? Are you doing something interesting? No? Okay, I will tell you. Today we are making dinosaurs and fish molds. So friends, all we need is a plaster of Paris. Then you can get the fish mold and the dinosaur mold. These are the molds. You can get more molds like this pot, a dinosaur and a turtle. You also need some paint. Let's start. So first we have to pour some water like this. I will show you. So we have put it on. Next, we have to mix like this. Mix, 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 mix. Come on, friends, mix. So we have to make it a thick paste. Just mix it. Mix it. Look how funny it is. It almost looks like a thick paste. Look how. See, it does look like a thick paste. Now our thick paste is ready. Now we're going to get the mold, then put the thick paste into the mold like this. I'm going to show you how to put the thick paste. So next you have to dab. So next you have to dab. It's still. So we can put some more thick paste. Next we're going to make another mold. A turtle. You have to do the same thing. Just get some more. Because we have to fill it all. Hope this is fun. Now we can do again smooth. Like this. Ooh. Look how it looks like at the back. So we're going to put it here. Now we're going to fill some more molds. Like this dinosaur one. It looks so cool. So let's make it. First we're going to start with the little one. We need some more to fill it up. Yeah. Like this. Now let's start now with the big one. Look how big it is. So we have 8 molds, 4 in this one, 2 in this one. Let's put it in the sunlight. When it will dry, we can paint them. Now the shapes are dried up. Now we can paint it. So first we can only do with green. Once you have painted the mold, this is the fridge magnet page. It can stick on your fridge. Next, we have to cut the magnet sheet into 3 squares. There are 3 squares. Now we're going to paste it with a glue. Then your fridge magnets will be ready. Hope you like this video. You can do it by yourself. Bye.